This is Sony ULT Field 7. This is a powerful bass speaker, 30 hours of playtime. This speaker you can select ULT 1 and ULT 2 or customize the sound effect. You switch this on from here and can select Bluetooth. This button here is pause and play. This is for you to decrease the volume. The minus decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. ULT is for you to select the bass effect, deeper bass and punchy bass, ULT 1 and ULT 2. You can also customize it. I want to show you how to connect this speaker to your TV via Bluetooth. So you need to switch the Bluetooth on. This speaker, from the back here, you have several ports. This is the power cable. You have USB, key control. You have the battery care and light, echo, jitter, and also mic input. You also have audio in. This speaker deserves your attention. You can take it away. I like how portable it is. You can carry it. And the lighting also, you have various lights to control it. You can connect this speaker via Sony Center app for you to adjust the setting. So now, to connect this to the TV, we need to switch the Bluetooth on. Pairing. And you will hear pairing. So now we're going to switch the TV on. Now go to your TV settings. Use the gear button to go to TV settings. So go to the TV setting, then scroll down to the sound. And the sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on it. Then scroll to the side for Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list. Select. And it's now searching for available Bluetooth device. ULT Field 7. So you need to scroll up to select this speaker. Now I want us to go to YouTube. I don't want to increase the volume due to copyright issue at the moment. So I want us to go to YouTube where I have the right to use the music. Now go to search. Go to Epidemic Sound. Select Epidemic Sound. Go to pop music. This audio. Then you can select.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
This speaker, you can connect multiple devices with this. So I'm going to connect this phone with this speaker now. And this speaker, you can control the light from the back here. You can control the light by selecting this button here. You see the light button. You change to different color. Now go to your mobile phone. So go to Music Center, Sony Music Center. Then select the speaker. Select. This is the music. Once you connect several gadgets, the gadget that is playing, the other one will stop. So now we are playing the music from the phone.
Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party. I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I had.
Then if you stop, you can also go back. If you want the TV to be playing again, then you select enter. It will start playing with the TV. For instance, if you are playing the music from your phone, you can select. The music will change to the phone. If you want the music from the TV, then you select, it will start from the TV. If you want to control the light, you can also go to the settings. Go to the settings. Then select, in terms of the sound, select the sound. Then select sound effect. This is ULT 1. Select the sound effect again. This is ULT 2. So you can also custom or switch sound effect off. This speaker deserves your attention. You can also select sound field. You select all this from the settings via music app.
I can feel my body hold against the concrete that I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me, look can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me, in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Set up feet, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. So the temperature.
So once you select music from the phone, the one from the TV will wait.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. This is nice speaker that deserves your attention. You can connect it with multiple gadgets and select music from each gadget you want. Control the sound and also control the light from your phone, or you can do this from the back. So this speaker deserves your attention. Thank you very much. It's waterproof and dust proof and 30 hours of playtime. Easy to carry, portable. Thank you.